Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain the best apps for booking flights. Finding the perfect flight app can truly transform your travel planning experience, making it much easier and more affordable. These powerful tools aggregate flight information from numerous airlines and online travel agencies, presenting it all in one convenient place. They offer a range of features designed to help you secure the best deals, often saving you significant time and money on your next adventure. Let's dive into some top contenders. Skyscanner is a fantastic app for flexible travelers, especially if you're open to new destinations. Its unique Everywhere search feature lets you discover affordable flights to various locations worldwide, perfect for spontaneous trips. You can also use the whole month view to pinpoint the absolute cheapest days to fly. Plus, setting up price alerts ensures you never miss a deal, notifying you when your desired flight's price drops. It's a comprehensive tool for finding great value. Google Flights is another incredibly powerful tool, often recommended as a starting point for any flight search. It provides a comprehensive overview of nearly all available flights, allowing you to compare options effectively. The intuitive calendar view clearly shows the cheapest days to fly over an entire year, making flexible date planning simple. You can also set up price tracking alerts for specific routes, ensuring you're notified when fares change. It's a robust platform for finding excellent value. Beyond Skyscanner and Google Flights, apps like Kayak and Expedia also offer excellent features. Kayak is known for its extensive aggregation, pulling results from hundreds of sources, and its hacker fares can combine one-way tickets for significant savings. Expedia shines with bundled deals, allowing you to save by booking flights, hotels, and car rentals together. Both platforms provide valuable tools like price alerts and flexible date searches, helping you find the best travel options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.